Welcome to Peritus video training part 1. Today we're going to cover the customer master file or the debtor master file. To achieve that, you will go to your main menu. Under the customers menu, you will select master file. This gives you an option to select any of your existing customers. From here you will be able to rename a customer by selecting the customer, selecting the pencil, change name. It gives you the option at that point to rename them. Note you will not be able to modify or alter the code, as the code is unique and needs to remain unique. It will not be editable. However, the name can be changed at any time. You will be able to show or hide the options to show or hide prospects or archive customers. I will show you how you set customers to prospect or archived in a moment. You will be able to go to the master file of the selected customer by selecting the customer, then selecting go to master file. You can also double click on the customer and it will also take you to their master file. Right now we're going to create a new customer. So to do that, we're going to select new item. We're going to type in the account code, which is going to be PER001 tab, and we're going to type in the name, which is Peritus Business Solutions, and we select the tick to accept that. Once we've got Peritus Business Solutions, we can open it. It'll take us to the master file. We can select their payment method. We're going to put them on account. We can specify some details here that we want to store for the customer. Some of this will affect the settlement discount, and the settlement discount period will affect the way payments are made and the amount that is due at the time of payment if you have set these up. The account blocked, by default all accounts are blocked. Account blocked and unblocking is a specific user access and can therefore be used by an accounts department when you're setting up a new customer. That customer can be credit checked and approved before any business is started. However, quotations can be submitted to customers that are currently blocked, but in order to do any work, creating job cards or invoicing, you will need to unblock that customer. I'm going to unblock this one now. Monthly contract billing, this gives you the ability to do repetitive invoicing. It also gives you the ability to extract pro forma invoices for that customer. Here is the option to set as a prospect or archived customer. By default it is active or current. You can specify more details on the right hand side here. I'm going to specify myself as the rep. I'm going to specify the customer as a PFIM customer. I'm going to specify the area as Western Cape. These are all set up as lists and are custom per customer. I'm going to specify that they are on price list A. Here I can capture their VAT number if they have one. I can also specify which currency they execute in. ZAR is not required because it is a one-to-one, because we are operating in South Africa, but for other areas we can specify their VAT rates and then put the conversion rates into the system at the time of execution. Under the contacts tab, I'm able to specify longitude, latitude. Here's a bit of information that integrates with our POS, which we integrate with OpenBravo POS, and that is a free POS system that we can operate with. We also give the option here to capture information like contact names, as well as telephone numbers, or email addresses. So okay, down here you have your postal addresses and your physical address, and I'm going to put in my postal address a postcode of 7530 because that is important for some of the later training. Under the banking tab, here you have the option to capture any banking details, but the thing here of importance is the preferred account delivery method. If you would like to send out statements and invoices via email, you need to specify email here, as that will automate this process of doing that. And you save your customer, and you have now got a customer fully completed. There are multiple other options here. You can attach images to a customer, you can create internal notes, you can view their serial numbers and items like that, and we will cover many of those in future modules. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.